up guys, and welcome back to CageLand. So today I'm gonna do a review for you guys. I didn't intend to do this. I legit was just moving around the way I needed to. In the new year, it's always about getting your house together, planning and preparing, and there's one small thing that I feel like I've never been able to master, and that's getting my carpet clean. I honestly love carpet, but I always feel like it's never clean enough for me. No matter how many times I vacuum, I've never gotten that part done. So I decided to go to Walmart and pick up a Shark vacuum cleaner because it has been all over the internet, and I'm not one of those people that just jump on the bandwagon because it's all over the internet. I don't know, I don't think it's just something that we just on a regular think about, like I need a new vacuum cleaner. I buy a new vacuum cleaner every single year. Every year in January, I always want to deep clean my house, and I bought 6 vacuum cleaners, all the same brand, all the same vacuum cleaner. Well, different vacuum cleaner, all the same brands. They range from $50 to $60, $70, some even $100. I have just bought 6 vacuum cleaners in the span of me being in my house, and I'm over it. I was vacuuming the other day and I just really felt like this did nothing. Like I legit was sweating. I was so tired, and I just felt like the floor was still dirty. So this is what it's saying. It's saying more suction, lift away, duo cleaning, and you can vacuum on hardwood and you can vacuum on carpet. This clean air right here is really that's what got me, and seeing that you can just kind of lift and do what you need to do. Like it seems like it makes it a lot easier to get the floors clean. I think we should just try it out. It's called the Duo Clean. I was just impressed just by looking at the box. The box said so much stuff that I was like, okay, let's get it. Anyway, so I'm not gonna bore you, but I just keep talking about all this other extra stuff. I know why you're here. You wanna see if it works? I wanna see if it works. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. I'm gonna see how hard it is to put it together. I don't know. I don't have time to be getting no screwdriver, screwing nothing. So let's just see. Hopefully.
But I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Not even pushing it, and it's going. You guys see, I'm not pushing this thing, and it's just like, it's that strong that it legit just pulls it on its own. Look at my hand. You guys see, I'm not pushing it, and it's just like, I'm about to drop it. It is legit. Look, I'm not pushing this thing, and it is just going on its own. Very light. Like, in order for me to get under the bed, like I don't have to bend down to do it. It just goes right under the bed. It's like easy to swivel. Like you can move it around real easy the way you need to. You guys know I have 2 small children and they're always picking up something, always have something in their mouth. So, you know, I really feel like sometimes just to have that sense of security of mind, like there's nothing on the floor, there's nothing that they can pick up and put in their mouth, especially Jacob. You know, he's 3, so he's a boy and he's always picking up something. He's always got something in his mouth. So yeah, hopefully this works. So let's keep going. Look at how much dust just came out of my 3-year-old's room. I try to vacuum once a week, but I just always felt like, okay, this is not getting clean. With the amount of money that I have spent on 6 vacuum cleaners being in this house, I could have had 2 of these. I legit vacuumed this floor yesterday and this is ridiculous. I want to see how easy it is to dump this thing, because the other vacuum cleaner, I took it out to dump it and the whole thing sputtered all over me, all over the floor. And that's probably a lot of this dust that came up. So it's a release 1, a lift away, hard floor. Yo, I didn't even have it on the carpet setting. Oh my gosh, this much stuff came up and I didn't even have it on the carpet setting. Okay, so let's see how we clean this. I haven't vacuumed that part over there. And I've vacuumed this. Look at the difference. Well, besides the paper that my son has on the floor. But look how matted the carpet looks here. And look how it looks here. Like, there's clearly a difference. Boom, boom. Difference? Difference. So I'm gonna clean this out, and that area I haven't done yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the other vacuum cleaner and I'm gonna go over that area, and then I'm gonna come back over it with this one. My old vacuum cleaner, this is the one I had before, Power Force Helix. Now this is Abyssal. This is the same one, guys, that I have purchased 6 times. I'm not lying. And when you go in a store, honestly, this is like what they say is the best option. In the store, I want to say I spent $60 to maybe $70 on this one. And yeah, so I'm gonna go over here and we'll see the difference. So let's see, I'm gonna put you guys right here. When I started it, so yeah, so that much came up. Not a lot, but this is what I've been vacuuming with for the past, what, few months. Like, I literally have had this maybe 5 months, I want to say. So I'm gonna go behind it now with the shark and we'll see what it picks up. Do y'all see this? Okay, so that is what was left from that little area. I mean, it's a lot to leave, you know. So compared to a whole room, you guys see the difference in how I was vacuuming with that one compared to this one. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I really just wanted to show the difference. I really wanted to prove it to myself that it was worth me spending the money. That's really what it was. But I decided, you know what, let me just see if y'all wanted to know, or know about the difference in these things. I love that I could assemble it so easy, like boom, 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 click, done. I love that. Like, I legit pulled it out of the box, you guys saw it, pull the packages off and click, click, click. That's super easy. This removes so easy so that you can get into those little crevices and stuff. Now my son can sleep in here without all the dust and pollen and things. You know, I always have the window open for fresh air, so you know there's always dust in the air. So for me to see that much dust came up after vacuuming with that vacuum cleaner for 7-8 years, I won't ever go back to the other one because I want to be sure that my kids are breathing in fresh air. I want to make sure that the room is clean, the carpet is clean. They're always on the floor rolling around. They're always, you know, there's always something on the floor to be worried about. I don't know, I just feel like I'll have the security, the security in my mind that nothing's on the floor that he can dig up and eat. No old popcorn seeds, no old, you know, beads or something that they're playing with. I can just assure that this thing is gonna pick everything up, and I'm so pleased with that. Like, this is gonna be in our cleaning videos from here on out. Yeah, I hopefully I answered a ton of questions for you guys, just in case you were thinking about getting a new one. Yeah, just make the investment. It is so worth it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was some cleaning motivation for you. Hopefully it helped you make the decision. If you have been like me, you just keep buying vacuum cleaners over and over and you're just tired of it and you really want a good deep clean on your carpet, try it out, guys. Like, try it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. If you like reviews and things like this, give this video a thumbs up for me. It really helps my channel out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Just watch me break.
You know you legit old when you get excited over a vacuum cleaner.
I wanna make it sweat on me.